How to use ChatGPT to boost your online business. ChatGPT is a master of words. Let's see how it can help you create engaging content for your online business. You could use the following prompts. If you want to use it for marketing and advertising, you could use these prompts. ChatGPT for customer service and support. It can even help you handle customer inquiries. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can transform your online business by using it for content creation, marketing, customer service, and operations. You can unlock new levels of efficiency and effectiveness.